Plant location. What is a plant location? It consists location of plant. Plant location, cost of a product is kept low, maximum profit, and it determine the cost of raw material. Okay, and raw material to finished goods, distribution good to customer. So plant location is hardly any location can be ideal and perfect. Balance of several factors affecting plant location. So next point we discuss in that plant location. First point is a nearness to raw material. So this is an important point. Availability of the raw material reduce the cost of transporting raw material, especially those plants which consume raw material in bulk need heavy raw material losses. Good amount of material in processing must be located close to the source of raw material. Okay, second point is a transport facility. So in a transport facility, that cost of transportation should be small in proportion to the total cost depending upon the size of raw material and finished goods. So in a transport facility, road, railway, okay, water, air, all type of facility is important. So third point is nearness to market. A plant location is always nearness to market. It reduces the cost of transportation, finished product getting damaged and spoiled. Okay, and catch big market share. Next is offering quick services. So those point is considered in nearness to market. Fourth one is availability of the labor. So this is also important point in a plant location. So so in that first one is adequate number of labor with suitable skills and reasonable wages, and also higher benefits the firm. Labor intensive firms should select the plant location which is nearer to the source of manpower. Next point is fifth one is availability of fuel and power. In a near a plant location, widespread use of electric power no remains deciding factor for plant location, and steel industry source of fuel, reduce fuel transportation cost. So availability of fuel and power is important. Sixth one is availability of water. So water is the main point. So water is always required for processing, drinking, sanitizing. Depending upon the nature of plant, water should be available in adequate quantity and properly. Okay. So the seventh one is the climate conditions. So climate condition is also important. So heating, ventilation, air conditioning. Okay, that type of instrument we can use for controlling the climates. So in agriculture, leather and textile industry, climate is the main point. For such industrial, extreme humidity or dry conditions are not suitable for plant location. Next point, facility factor investment. Large scale industries, state offer loans, subsidies, benefits, sale tax exemptions. Okay, so financial factor is also important. So choosing the state is important factor in order to set up a new industries. Ninth point is land. So land is land area, shape of the site, cost, drainage. Okay, so all are feasible, and probability of food, chances of earthquake influence the selection of plant locations. So next point is 10 number presence of related industries, and industries can outsource some of the parts for the related industries near to the plant location. It reduces the head check of making every part within the plant. And 11 number point is availability of facilities. So facility is also required. So in that facility, school, hospital, housings, and recreating club, security. Okay, and those type of facility is required. So availability of facilities. So next point is 12 number, disposal of waste. Different types of waste disposal problem for industrial like chemical, leather and sugar. Okay, so tire waste, chemical tire to plant, this is the example of waste disposal of waste. Next point is okay, so this is a disposal of waste, one more point, and this is the example.